In this video, I will show you how to install Python on your Windows computer. First, open Google Chrome or any search engine you prefer. In the search bar, type Install Python, just like I'm doing here. From the results, click on the first link that says Download Python. Once the official website opens, you will see the main page like this. Simply click the yellow button labeled Download Python Install Manager to download the latest version to your PC. After the download is complete, open the file you just installed. When the installer opens, allow all required security permissions if prompted. You will see the installation options on the screen. Just click on Install Python as shown here. Now, wait for the installation process to finish, and your Python will be successfully installed. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.